Hello everyone, and it won't be a long video. I'm just doing a video to tell you guys what happened. I didn't record anything last time because I was waiting for the perfect time for my summer vacation, and it's today. I'm on vacation, also my cousins that are here. One is in my living room, I'm like pointing in the closet. One is in my living room, one is in my room right now. As I say that I had a surprise for this channel, and I did, and I have him right here. So say hello to Tommy. Hi guys. Yeah, I had him like last Friday. Oh, he has hairs. I had him last Friday, and I've been practicing. Like, I'm still practicing with the voice, but I practice with his moves. Like, the way I said hi. I did a wave. Now I can make him bow. Yeah, that's all the moves I have. I'm still learning, so you'll be seeing him around often. And my prediction for my vacation today, we mostly go to California to visit my grandma that lives over there, and my other cousins and uncles and aunts. So my mom told me she may be coming over, but if she didn't, me and my two cousins have to go fly to California, and I'll show you the rest. And yeah, this is the end of the video. What did I mean? Like I show the rest? I mean that I would tell you on my next video. So bye. Bye. Bye bye. Bye.